When you're out on the road pulling them long hauls, do you ever wish you could find somewhere to stop that feels like home? Do you want to be able to walk through the door of a store and feel like you're walking in your own home, seeing these smiling faces? What's the Fred?
Get out of your truck to stretch your legs. Come on into Fred's Fuel and Food for your daily trucking essentials.
You want to stop at a truck stop where you can take a shower that's just as clean as the one you have at home?
Hello, sir. You need showers?
Yes, please. They clean?
Yes, they are. Freshly clean.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you're welcome.
Fred really does have the cleanest showers. Thank you, buddy. That's a clean shower you got there.
You're welcome.
And that's why Fred and Fuel has the cleanest showers. And after my freshly cleaned shower, now we can walk over here to Krispy Krunchy Chicken and get us a good home-cooked meal. After you get done taking your shower, eating your good food from back there at Krispy Krunchy Chicken, now it's time to fill our truck up with some fuel. Man, what do we got out there?
We carry number 2 straight diesel. We carry number 2 straight diesel with 11% soy bio.
What about your DEF? You got DEF?
We have DEF at every dispenser.
Well, see, there we go. Fred's Fuel and Food not only has clean showers, they don't only wipe everything down, good food. Our Truckers Lounge, they also have straight number 2 diesel, bio number 2 diesel, 11% soy bio, and DEF.
Thank you. Stop at Fred's Fuel and Food. Have a great day.
See you next time. So if you're out on the road, you're looking for a clean, friendly place to stop, be sure to stop at Fred's Fuel and Food on I-57, exit 283.